This is a brand new ultralight 30-liter travel backpack for under $100. And in my opinion, it's one of the best affordable solutions to one-bag travel. This is the Almond Oak 25-liter plus 5-liter Expandable Travel Backpack. This is Dylan. Dylan created the Expandable Travel Backpack and Almond Oak to cater directly to one-bag travelers. The backpack is the first offering in his new line of one-bag travel products, and he's been designing and perfecting it for the past 12 months. Next, he'll focus on a travel jacket, then travel shoes, and so on and so on. He calls it the journey to build the ultimate one-bag setup. Honestly, you should check out his story on Kickstarter or on the Almond Oak website because he has some really detailed info on how he got into the one-bag travel world. He and the Almond Oak brand are based out of London, and the products are manufactured in China. From the production sample I'm reviewing today, the materials are pretty high quality for an ultra-light travel bag under that $100 price point. If you want to get your hands on one of these bags, be sure to use my affiliate link in the description, which is going to take you over to the Kickstarter page where you can snag one for yourself. And not only do you get a really great bag, but you get to support a really cool small business startup. The Almond Oak Travel Backpack comes in at 17 inches by 13 inches by 7 inches with a capacity of 25 liters. If you unzip to expand the main compartment, you get 2 additional inches of depth for 30 liters of capacity. And the bag weighs just 1.7 pounds, which is pretty light for a travel bag of this capacity. The exterior of the bag is made with a 280D water-resistant nylon, and the interior features a 100D nylon. The bag comes in one color, which is the black that you see here. The hardware is nice too, with YKK stretch zippers and Hypalon pulls. The bag comes in at just $99 if you purchase it on Kickstarter. And actually, if you're one of the first 100 people to buy one, you can get it for just $85. So let's jump right into some of the features of this bag. Now this is a pre-production sample, so there will be a few little differences with the final backpack, but I'm going to point out any of those as we go along. The bag has a really clean, minimalistic look, and the organization is thoughtful without being overdone. With a lighter weight bag, it's important to put pockets and extra materials only where needed so you can keep the overall weight down. I really like this simplistic style because it really complements any kind of travel fit you're going to be wearing too. I also love the minimal branding. You're only going to find the Almond Oak logo on the zipper pulls. So let's start with the front of the bag, where you will find this nice large quick access pocket. In the final production of the bag, this pocket is actually going to feature a large mesh zipper pocket inside of this larger pocket. So you're actually going to have 2 pretty big areas to keep things like books, notepads, video games. This is also going to be a great place to put your phone and your wallet when you're going through security at the airport. Next is the main compartment of the bag, and this opens up clamshell style. So the top panel is going to feature a zippered mesh area, and that top panel is also going to be where you're able to expand the bag to get some extra literage. Just unzip the zipper on the outside to expand this an additional 5 liters. And the big open space in here is going to be great for things like clothes, your toiletry bags, extra pair of shoes, anything that you're bringing along on your trip like that. And because of the more rectangular shape of this bag, it's going to work great with or without packing cubes, so that's going to be totally up to you. So moving to the back of the bag, we have a great laptop sleeve and tech compartment back here. There are going to be 2 slots, one for a laptop and then one for a tablet. There's also a nice false bottom here, so you can protect more of those expensive electronics if you do drop your bag. And then there's also going to be this smaller zippered mesh pocket at the top, and you can think of this as your tech pouch. This is going to be for things like chargers, hard drives, tech accessories, but it's just nice to have everything kind of organized within this one back pocket. So now moving to the outside of the bag, you're going to find 3 handles on this bag, one on the top and then one on each side. And the handles have been updated a little bit from this pre-production sample to be a little more robust with some better stitching. So on one side of the bag, you're going to find a mesh water bottle pocket, and then on the other side of the bag, you're going to find a hidden passport pocket. And I really like this little hidden passport pocket because it's also a great spot to hide any kind of valuables while traveling. Lastly, let's look at the back panel of the bag, which has a thin but comfy layer of padding. It also has a luggage pass-through. The shoulder straps are going to be thin and comfy as well because both the back panel and the straps feature a 5mm thick EVA foam. In the final production run of this bag, the straps are going to be moved down a little bit too for a better carry. And then finally, we have an adjustable sternum strap, which I always find super useful in helping to distribute the weight of the bag by keeping it tight against your body. So that's the brand new travel backpack from Almond Oak. And if you're not already, be sure to subscribe to this channel because on Friday, we're going to be packing up this bag 3 different ways: 2-week travel, weekend travel, and everyday carry, so that we can better see what we can fit inside of it and what the best use case might be for this bag. In the meantime, let me know what you think of this Kickstarter bag and if it's one that you'd like to try out. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what I've been listening to this week.